welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clean with me part 2 spring cleaning video. So today I've already cleaned out my closet like you saw in the last cleaning video, and today I'm going to be cleaning out this big hutch behind me and then my cubes right next to me here. I have a lot of clothes I have not gone through in a while. Like, I've already gone through my closet, and then I also have 2 dressers downstairs with more clothes, but I don't know if I'll get to that today in today's video. But I have a lot of clothes that I need to go through that either aren't my style anymore, might not fit me anymore, too big, too small, whatever, and just clothes that just I don't really love anymore, either overworn or just, you know, you have to get rid of clothes every once in a while. And I've been steadily purchasing clothes online lately, so I really need to go through and just get rid of some stuff. I thought I would show you what I'm gonna get rid of, what I'm gonna keep, and just kind of go through, organize, and try to like get a better system, because right now things are just thrown wherever they can fit and it's just not the greatest. But I'll show you what it looks like. Right here I have a bunch of cube drawers with just literally like the most random things in them, like headbands. Like, this is my tech drawer for work, so I'll keep that like that, but everything else, like a bunch of scarves and just random stuff, so it'll be nice. And then in here I literally have the most random things, so I'm gonna get some cubes and organize this better because it just needs to be better organized. So I literally have books up there, like it's like costumes, like I need to organize this a lot better. So yeah, so I will set you up to show you what it looks like, my progress, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, so I'll set you up and kind of show you what it looks like as I do my process. But I'm literally gonna go through, I'm gonna make 3 piles, what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna donate, and what I'm just gonna throw out, because there's probably gonna be some stuff that I need to just throw out completely. And yeah, we'll just go from there. I am going to make my bed and get started.
Had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
stuff kind of organized. I have a pile over here for garbage. I'm going to donate all of this stuff, so I'll put that in my donation pile. And then my plan is to do like bodysuits and kind of like going out clothes in like one bin. And then I'll do my more like practical, like everyday work stuff in a bin. So all of these like are either like summer shirts or bodysuits and stuff. So I'm gonna put these all in one bin. And I already got rid of so much, so it's good. Either like donating it or throwing it out. So that's what this bin looks like. So I'll put this away. Right. So I'll put my donation stuff back in this bag. I'm also gonna donate this dress too. It'd be perfect for someone who is like going into an office. I wore it a few years ago. It's cute. It has like a nice like paisley print. I just don't really my style anymore, so I'll donate that and hopefully it'll go to a good home. I'm gonna donate this top. It's just not really my style anymore. Oh no, it has a stain on it, so I'll throw that out. This is too small. This is Jockey. It's like a cute little workout shirt, but I'll donate this. And then this is like a little lemon tank top from literally, I think I got this like 10 years ago, but I think I'll give this to my sister. I think it's just a little bit too small for me, so I'll give this to her. Belts. I think I'll donate all these belts too, because they're just like old belts. Like I haven't worn a belt in like years. I was obsessed with this belt. Oh, I actually was so obsessed I have two. Why I need two belts, different colors, but literally both from American Eagle. And then I have this little belt too, so I'll donate that too.
Keep dancing with the
So now we are all done. This is what it looks like. So I still have some books up there. And then I have all of my pants. So these are all my leggings and kind of like loungewear pants that I wear often. So I did colors, and then I did all black ones, and then I did some of my jeans. The rest of my jeans that either I don't wear or whatever are downstairs. I have a little mirror there, a little X, and then this is all of my activewear tops, so tank tops, short sleeve, long sleeve, all of that in this bin. And then over here I have all of my sweatpants, like that I'd wear during the day and all that kind of stuff. Over here I have my 2 bathrobes, and then over here I have like big comfy sweaters, and then over here I have all my university sweaters because I have like 5 of them, so I just put them all in here. Down below here I have all of my bathing suits and cover-ups, and then over here I have some of my like summertime like shorts, pajamas, and like short sleeve shirts. So all together it looks really good. I like how it's all balanced, and it definitely has made a huge difference from the before. And I went through and I like got rid of a lot of stuff, so that makes me feel so much better. So now I am going to go over to my cubes, and you won't be able to see as much of a difference, but I put some of my like supplements and stuff in here because I have them before I work out. And then I have some of my like winter pajamas. I have, these are my like shirts that I wear during the work week, so like just like little t-shirts and stuff like that. And then over here I have my like going out clothes, if you want to call them that, so like bodysuits and like different fun shirts. I still have all my scarves in these 2 drawers, and then this is all of my work stuff. So I have my work laptop, my Kobo, and like all of my different cords and all that kind of stuff there. So that is the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you could see the progress. It feels so much better to get like so much stuff cleared out of those 2 areas because they hold so many things. So I think I got almost like 3/4 of a garbage bag worth of stuff, whether that's like there was knickknacks and some of the stuff, like there was old ticket stubs and like just a bunch of random stuff. So it was good to go through all of that and get rid of the stuff that obviously I didn't want anymore, and there was like just old clothes that like nobody could wear, and then I donated another full bag of stuff. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. But if you haven't, please subscribe and like and comment down below. It really helps push my channel to more people. So I hope you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.